Baba Loba àti Wùmí nìkan ló lè mú adélẹ̀ ìlérí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Àwọn méjèèjì ń ti nǹkan kan síra wọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ kó tú síta. Gbogbo owó tó ti ń dá sínú Access Bank for over 9 months now kí lẹ fi ṣe. Alama máa tú gbogbo àṣírí yín. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ pawó tẹ́ bá need justice ọmọ yín. Mr. Loba, come out and tell the whole world that you don't want justice anymore. You need money. Mo mọye tí mo ti lose lórí ìrìn àjò yìí now. Mọye àwọn tí tẹjọ́ ń parọ́ tẹjọ́ ń kó ṣìkáàkiri mọye tẹ́ ń pa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad ni. Mo bẹ́ ṣe lọ gbowó lẹ́yìn ní Nàìjíríà ni. Àbẹ́fẹ́ ká máa tú gbogbo àṣírí yín. Wèrè yẹn wá sọ pé mò ń pè nítorí mi ò ní information. Tó bá mọ information tó wà lọ́wọ́ mi, ẹ̀rù á bá àyè ajá. Let me just
Mama, so anything you see that is happening, don't she buy, don't rebuy, nino Baba Moses, progressing ni, eku da abi eku eda abi kini.
Eku eda.
Sheka. I don't know.
Please, let's continue tapping it. Justice for Mohbad, not for Baba Loba. Ibi tẹ́ ti dá ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn rú nìyẹn. I don't know, maybe they are looking justice for Mr. Loba. I don't know. Want to derail, want to call only justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad, not for his dad. Justice for Mohbad, not for his dad. The more we realize that, the more peace is going to reign in this movement.
Baba Mohbad.
We don't know the reason why we are doing this. Many people think we're just coming out to come and rant. I am not here for any money. I have my job.
Yapmanyan rigban mi sí omi òtó so lanika tó gbé wá síwájú yín akin kábọ̀ sí orí ìkànnì entertainment àti gist wà fún yín ní ọlọ́kan ọ̀jọ̀kan fún ẹ̀yin subscribers wa ẹ ṣeun akínyìn adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gidigidi fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ò tí subscribe ẹ bá wa subscribe kẹ́ lè máa rí àwọn update wa lóòrèkóòrè ẹ ṣeun adúpẹ́.
Can Gracie be like this? How are you doing things like this? But then she for Mr. Miwa. Baba Mohbad don't agree. Baba don't need choice in you. Oh, she for Mr. Mohbad. What Ayanka is saying about Gracie, that is Gracie. Oseni don't need me, Mama Sonny. Gracie is like that. He doesn't want anybody else to be noticed in justice for Mohbad. He's the one that don't take on to a nuisance. Yes, because Kekan now to me is acting like a nuisance. It is what Gurexi did and Mr. Niwa they did to Kekan that made him to forget that he should move on. And he's misbehaving. Because when Gurexi sees that somebody else, like when Kekan, they told him in front of him, Mr. Miwa said it in front of me and my lawyer friend, that the guy is a PR. That's how they plugged that guy. And Mr. Miwa did nothing about it. To correct it.
Baba Mo is not doing it right. He's not doing it right. Baba will come live. His own people will donate his platform. Other people, they chase them away. They have they can't have access to talk to Baba. And you think you are doing it right. Emma, she platform gbe fe ba wa sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́jọ́ Sunday. Àwọn èèyàn tí yín ló máa occupy page yẹn. Àwọn tó máa gbé wá sórí panelist yín, wọ́n máa select wọn ni. And you think all will be well. Baba Mohbad, you don't know what you are joking with. Gbogbo àwọn tẹ́ ń rí lẹ́ni, tẹ́ ń rí 3,000, tẹ́ ń rí 4,000 tó ń wò yín lórí TikTok yín, àwa lẹ máa padà wá bá. Ẹ máa padà wá gbọ́ nǹkan táwa ń sọ fún yín. Àwa ń ṣe ń sìn láti fi ṣe yín létí, wọ́n ń wo àwa bí nǹkan tí ò dá. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ayé níkà. Nígbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yín bá tán. Nígbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yín bá tán, when everything dies down. When everything dies down. Ìgbà yẹn lẹ máa mọ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ ń rí tó wá ń wò yín lórí platform yẹn afẹ́fẹ́ ni wọ́n. Nítorí pé àwa ń sòótọ́ pé ẹ̀yin gangan náà set trap lẹ̀ fún. Ẹ̀yin gangan náà fẹ́fẹ́ kẹ́ forí kó ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yín. Ẹ̀ ń wò pé bóyá wà láà láìkí yín sọ́jí. Ṣé wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe justice nìyẹn? Ìyá Mohbad bá yín sọ̀rọ̀, àwọn tí yín go against ẹ̀. ìyá Mohbad bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn tí go against ẹ̀ Adenike sue ìyá Mohbad àbí kẹ́ petition ìyá Mohbad ẹni rọ́ ni family yẹn lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ Wùnmí bú yín ẹ lè ṣe nǹkan kan sí ẹ lọ sí Arise TV wọ́n bí pé ẹni mélòó lẹ ti petition ẹ rí nǹkan kan sọ Gùrẹ́sì ń tẹ̀lé yín kiri wọ́n ti gbẹ́ kòtò lẹ̀ fún yín tó fẹ́ tì yín sí Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kọ́ta yín fẹ́ wọn lò gbà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó yẹ pé ọmọ yín kú ẹ̀yin náà tó fẹ́ fìyà ẹ̀ jẹ a sọ fún yín bí wọ́n ṣe ti arífá sínú ẹ̀wọ̀n a sọ fún yín wọ́n ṣe plan fẹ́yìn náà tí ò bá jẹ́ pé gbogbo àgbáyé tó pariwo síta ibi tẹ́ wà yẹn lẹ́ṣin máa wà ẹ fẹ́ gbọ́ gbogbo owó tó ń dá sínú Access Bank níbo ló wà gbogbo owó tí wọ́n gbé fún yín ní QH radio níbo ló wà tí ẹ rí just ordinary common ones 150,000 naira kẹ fún wọn nígbà tó ń lọ sí court owó appearance fees fún ọmọ Òdùmọ̀ṣù 3 days ago tó jẹ́ pọ́n ṣẹ̀ tó ń adjourn case yẹn sí èmi ṣé ẹ ti kó 150,000 yẹn lẹ̀ again ẹ wá ń wá àwọn tó wà lórí social media tó máa ṣàṣedànù kò possible do the needful mo ti sọ fún yín pé Mohbad ní owó Mohbad is a billionaire ẹ lọ wá lọ́yà tó máa bá yín ṣiṣẹ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé instead bá máa fi constitute nuisance lórí social media àwọn tíìmù yín ẹ lọ wá lọ́yà tó máa gbowó tán nígbà tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ tán náà Mohbad has money Mohbad is a billionaire ẹ jẹ́ kí n Mohbad is a billionaire he has money ẹ yé disgrace ọmọ yẹn inú báwo ló ṣe rí lára yín tó yẹ pé ọmọ tó yẹ pé wọ́n ti kún wọ́n ti sọ ọmọ yín di ẹran alápatà sínú ibi tó yẹ pé kò ti síná lára ẹ̀ dáadáa do the needful kọ́mọ yẹn lè lọ sinmi ẹ kò ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ bó ṣe wù yín ṣá orú ẹbí wo lẹ jẹ́ gan-an ẹ bójú ayé ọmọ yẹn jẹ́ tún bẹ̀ yín ẹ̀ jẹ́ owó tẹ̀lé títí tọ́mọ ológo fi sọnù lọ́wọ́ yín òun lẹ ṣe tún continue yes Mohbad is a billionaire now billionaire lè lọ wá lọ́yà tó yẹ pé ó máa ṣe kéèsì ẹ̀ nígbà tí everything máa done á jẹ́ sọ percentage tó máa gbà nígbà tó bá ṣe kéèsì yẹn wọ́n máa ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ náà kó ṣe dandan kẹ́ wá gbowó lórí social media now the lawyer will spend everything every damn thing then after the judgment they will collect all his properties and everything he will remove his own money and they will give the rest back to the family ẹ wá fi chicken change lórí social media ẹ wá fi ń disgrace ẹ̀yin ọmọ yẹn ẹ fi ń disgrace ẹ̀yin ọmọ yẹn it is not fair just ordinary common 150,000 naira what are you doing with the money inside the Access Bank kí ló tẹ gbowó tó wà lórí GoFundMe kẹ kó síbi kọkẹ máa yọ owó tẹ bá nídìí ń bẹ èmi ò lè sọ ọwọ́ ẹbẹ lọ́wọ́ Google Mohbad is a billionaire now go and look at the money he has ṣé òkú lẹ́yìn ni ṣé àrí gbogbo nǹkan tó ń lọ ni. Mohbad was celebrated worldwide when he died. Mr. Loba spoils all his legacy, all because of money. Exactly. Greediness. Already, ọmọ yóò ti sùn nínú kòtòkòtò nísìmí ẹ bá ojú ẹ jẹ ẹ tún bá lẹ́yìn jẹ ẹ wá jókòó sórí TikTok bí celebrity wọ́n máa ní kó má sọ̀rọ̀ sí iṣẹ́ yìí jẹ́ bí ọba ni àbẹ́ jẹ́ bí Tinubu gan wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ sí ọba wọn sọ ẹ mọ bó ṣe ń bú ọba Ifẹ̀ lójoojúmọ́ ni we are telling you to do the needful wọ́n ní ká má bú yín gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́jọ́ ń pín owó tí wọ́n ń lò káàkiri orí social media òfò ní gbogbo yín máa ṣe. Mohbad is now a millionaire. Go and use his money. Stop disgracing him. Ask yourself, ṣé tí Gùrẹ́sì bá níṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe ó níyàwó lé ọlọ́mọ ó láwọn ọmọ tó ti dàgbà ó láwọn ọmọ tó wà university. Gùrẹ́sì is ọ̀jẹ̀lú politician ọ̀jẹ̀lú. Ṣé Gùrẹ́sì máa tẹ̀lé Baba Lọ́ba káàkiri? Baba Lọ́ba apart from àdúrà apart from blessing Baba Lọ́ba has grown up children tí wọ́n ti wà nínú holiday. Wọ́n wà ní holiday ní Nigeria. He has 17-year-old going to 18 that is taller than him in the house. So why can't that guy be following Baba all around the places? Gùrẹ́sì with chicken brain. Gùrẹ́sì tó yẹ pé nǹkan tó máa jẹ ló ń wá. Ẹ wá ń ba justice yìí jẹ́ and you think we're just going to keep quiet and be looking at you guys. Èmi ò rán gbogbo yín o. Tẹ́ bá pé 1,000, tẹ́ bá pé wá ẹ̀ ní pé lọ. Àti wèrè olórí yín tí gbogbo orí ẹ̀ ti funfun tán tó dàbí arúgbó ọjọ́. Baba is greedy, but people around him are master of manipulators and he is not aware of them. He's aware. Baba is not a baby. There are a lot of things that when you follow on social media, Timothy send this on WhatsApp Baba. So that means Baba's silence, it means consent. That means Baba is telling us that he knew everything that they are doing. And Baba still has the God to come on Sunday to tell us that himself, Mr. Muyiwa, and and Goresi, the case. So why are you collecting money from the public? Say no to GoFundMe. Stop donating to their GoFundMe. Stop donating. We are not fools. It is not about the money. If you are doing it right, because I feel by justice from Mohbad, but you have interest in that money. You are not doing the right things.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
Yes, ma. Good morning. It's just a few words I want to say before you continue. Sorry for stopping you.
No problem.
I watched an interview which they interviewed this Oriyomi from Ibadan, Amzat Oriyomi. Then they asked him a question that why did you leave justice for Mohbad? Then his reply was that the father, that is Mohbad's father, according to him, he said the father does not want justice for his son. He said the father knows what happened to his child, that what is all after is money, that is not even ready for the justice at all, that is all is after is money. He said one person, this one, he said the same thing Iyabo Ojo also said. She said the reason why she left was because the father was after money and property. If you have the
Oriyomi click, send it to me, to my inbox, please.
I will send it to you.
Please.
I will send it to you. The funniest part is that we want to look for justice for this innocent 26 years old boy that died since last year, September 12th, according to the news. What we are supposed to by next month now, it will be 11 months. 11 months, no justice. 11 months, we are bashing each other. You are the one that killed him. You are the one, do DNA, do this, do that. All this, I see that all these things are not necessary. If truly we are looking for justice for this boy, let us first find justice. Then the other one will come later. He has a brother.
You advise Baba, do this, petition this, they will say no. Sue this, they will say no. Do this, they will say no. Just ordinary 150,000 naira that somebody needs to go to court for appearance fees. They said there is no money in Access Bank that they have been donating to for the past 9 months. What have they been using the money for? At least Bukky just said the money in Access Bank is for justice.
Yeah, the first part is that if it's money to do if it's money for the autopsy and all these things that are known, that he's into TikTok. They are paying him, they are gifting him. So those how much? Just remove 150 to go to court and get it. So by now, I believe that everybody should go and think out how they started this justice and find out where they are.
Yeah, we want real justice, not justice for Mr. Loba, justice for Imole. We want justice for Imole Ileroluwa. We don't want justice for Mr. Loba. Mr. Loba, come out.
We're asking for justice for.
You believe because you have the power in your hand now, you can just jeopardize our effort for the past 10 months. It is not possible. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ lódù America, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ lódù Nigeria, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ lódù UK, ẹ lọ kó wọn sínú team underground team yín. What are you hiding? Why are you doing everything underground? And we will get justice. So by we, the truth sayers, we will continue coming out to say the truth. We will get justice. You are not going to waste our time.
No matter
Mo mọye tí mo ti lose lórí ìrìn àjò yìí náà. Mọye àwọn tí tẹjọ ń parọ́, tẹjọ ń kó ṣìkáàkiri, mọye tẹ́ ń pa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad ni. Mo bẹ ṣe lọ gbowó lẹ́yìn ní Nàìjíríà ni. Àbẹ́fẹ́ ká máa tún gbogbo àṣírí yín. Wèrè yẹn wá sọ pé mò ń pè nítorí mi ò ní information. Tó bá mọ information tó wà lọ́wọ́ mi, ẹ̀rù á bá àyè ajá. Let me just mute you and let's continue. Wọ́n gbéṣẹ́ lé ẹ lọ́wọ́, èyí ọmọ ò ní dùdú lórí ẹ̀, èyí ọkọ ò ní dùdú lórí ẹ̀, ayé ẹ̀gọ́ ò ta sọ́sán, ó dàbí 69, arúgbó ọjọ́. Tó bá ti máa sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí, gbogbo nǹkan tó ń dùn mọ́yàn nínú, òun ló máa ń fẹ́ fẹnu bà, tó máa ṣépè wá kàn jókòó sẹ́yìn kípadì ẹ̀, ṣáyé ẹ̀ fẹ́ bàjẹ́ ni. I'm not fighting the father. I'm telling the father the truth. Baba should do the needful. How can I fight the father? We are telling Baba to do the needful. Baba is not doing the needful. They are not doing the needful. Kí ni mo fi ń bá Baba Johnson? Ẹ sọ pé mo pain. I'm pained. It is true. I am pained because they are not doing the right things. This is Yeye Kudi talking. Yeye Kudi has been with them since September. He said whenever they want to blog anybody, Ms. Gurexi and Mr. Muiwa, they hire bloggers to blog us just because we're doing the same thing and because we're saying the truth. But any blogger olórí burúkú tó wá ń gbéṣẹ́ fún pé kẹ́ máa blog wa yẹn, wá wo nǹkan táwa ń ṣe, pé ṣe nǹkan tó right ni. I have never for one day support anybody than justice for Mohbad. I have never for one day do anything than justice for Mohbad. Rather than we are going to be revealing their secrets. Anything that is going to obstruct this justice, we will be coming here to say it. This is my platform. Ọba ni mí, ní the phone me. So ẹ wá lọ máa rent àwọn èèyàn pé kó máa bully wa. So you think oje yẹn lè jẹ wá just because you know I'm not into fracas. You believe you can use fracas to silence me. Èmi ti kọjá gbogbo yẹn. Èmi ti kọjá gbogbo yẹn. But ìwọ wèrè tó ń rán níṣẹ́ arúgbó ọjọ́ máa yára ẹni brain kó tó sọ̀rọ̀. Atótilétọ̀ lèmi. Àwọn ọmọ ológo tọ́lọ́run fi lé mi lọ́wọ́, kò sọ́kùnrin tó dọmọ́lẹ̀ lé mi lọ́wọ́. Àwọn ọkùnrin méjì tí mo bímọ fún gan, tó bá wọ́n sì ń lọ́bì gan kí padà sínú ayé wọn. Àwọn ọmọ alálùbáríkà. My last born will be 17 in few days. Wá ní tọkùnrin da ọmọlẹ̀ lé lọ́wọ́, tá lọkùnrin dọmọ́lẹ̀ lé lọ́wọ́. Tí òun náà bá rí àwọn ọkùnrin tó dọmọ́lẹ̀ lé lọ́wọ́ ń sìn, ṣé o ní máa dúpẹ́ àwọn èyí tó bá kù lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀? Just because you are bitter, you want everybody káyé wọn bàjẹ́. Ìwọ ló lè máa bá yéèyàn jẹ́ kó rò bóyá tiẹ̀ máa dá. Nígbà téèyàn bá ń go through any problem, that is when you're supposed to be rejoicing with people that are rejoicing. Because tó bá ṣe ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, Ọlọ́run á máa tún ayé tiẹ̀ náà ṣe. But when you are going through one difficulty or something in your life, and you believe everybody around you should be bitter like you can never get it. Bó ṣe máa bá kú nìyẹn, àbákú láṣọ eégún, ó gbé ọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́rọ̀ sórí ìwọ shoemaker. Kí ló mọ̀ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ law? Kí ló mọ̀ nínú law tó fẹ́ dá sí? Kí ló mọ̀ nínú law? Ìwọ tó yẹ pé iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe láti yọ tó ti dé lóyìnbó, going to 20 years, training 3 days ló ń ṣe, training 1 hour ló ń ṣe lórí kíní. Where is your certificate? Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ wọ́n ti lọ fún degree nídìí iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe yẹn, wọ́n ti di ọ̀gá lọ́fíìsì. Thank you, Libra Queen. Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ ti di ọ̀gá lọ́fíìsì. Ó wà nílùú òyìnbó, ó kúrò ní class, ojú kan ló kàn wà bí omi adágún. Ó mọ nǹkan téèyàn fi spite èèyàn ní ayé 2024. Go and upgrade yourself. Upgrade yourself. Go back to further education. From tó bá ti ṣe further education 2 years, wàá mọ̀ bí education ìlú òyìnbó bó ṣe dùn sí láti upgrade ara ẹ̀. You think it's a joke? Gbogbo ìgbésí ayé àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ ti move on kúrò ní the fracas. Orí burúkú ni wọ́n yìí ṣe lórí fracas. Wọ́n wá rẹ̀ tiẹ̀ pé kó máa bá yé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́, inú ẹ̀ ń dùn. Orí ìgbéyàwó nígbéyàwó tó ń dùn. Ládùúrù nǹkan tí àyà mi ń ká ṣe yẹn. Ẹ wá wò pé nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ fi sọ fún ni pé kẹ́ bà ìgbéyàwó ẹ̀ jẹ́. Ayé gbogbo 4 people now stood up to be paying the PR every month to make the job easy. What is the secret between Baba Mo and Guresi that Baba cannot let go Guresi? And they are scattering this justice. I don't care, but their relationship is affecting this justice. Their relationship is affecting this justice. And we want nothing but true justice for Imole Ileloluwa. We need change. Baba, to be our blogger in the see me. For me. Timmy Bani bought that one analyze can call me bastard. iPad. They have their own power, I have my own power. Emi o kin se JJC o, mi kin se omo nume o, omo gboro to the call me. We suggested everywhere that we need a PR that is going to be giving us information. And this particular guy, K Crown, is a journalist. The guy is very, very good for that position. But because they don't want that guy to see what is going on around them, that is why Guresi rejected that guy. And now, up till now, they are still collecting PR money every month from somebody on social media. Is this justice? Is this how we're going to get justice? And whenever I come here now, be on lookout too. I've come here now to say the truth, to expose them. They are going to send their blogger, Arubojo, out to come and blog me. And I did here. Just because boya and fura wa ni pe a decent pe mi o kin se ras bi ti won mi kin se olopolo kuku bi ti won. I came to Republic of Ireland with just my secondary school certificate. Even when I want to go to, if I wish to go to university in Nigeria, I still need to do the JAMB again because my result was not completed. But in Republic of Ireland, I have loads of certificates with me. 3 days, I have level 6 in social care, and I have my degree in culinary arts. I'm a qualified chef in the Republic of Ireland. The way I think now is different from the way I think 15, 17 years ago. So don't think everybody teba kon rile mama so enu si iwo to e ko lo fi gbe si aye e bo se nku oni di se ke aye ko lo si further education níbi tó ma ti lọ acquire bóyá level 5 or 6 ku o lo de tó ma ní degree lọ́wọ́ wọ́n wá fẹ́ síbi kan wọ́n ní kó máa blog àwọn èèyàn kó máa bá tàwọn èèyàn jẹ́ so nǹkan tí wọ́n try láti sọ ni pé Baba still have good relationship with these people. They spoke, they did a meeting in May 21 that lasted for like 1 hour 9 minutes. For you to talk to somebody for 1 hour 9 minutes in a group call, and Baba, you pretended as if there is no relationship between you and these people. Baba mama dato lórí kíní tó máa ranjú ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́rọ̀ tó máa gbé sórí ó fi tiẹ̀ lẹ̀ ayé tiẹ̀ bàjẹ́ ó wá fẹ́ wá pé ó fẹ́ wáyàn kún ó fẹ́ wáyàn kúnra. When Baba was enjoying us at the beginning of this thing, wọn lọ gbé bloggers dìde kọ́ máa blog wa o. Ìgbà tó wá di pé àṣírí wọn fẹ́ tú tó dà pé yín gangan ẹ̀ ń bo nǹkan ẹ̀ wá true justice fọmọ yín ẹ̀ wá fẹ́ máa fi àwọn blogger pa wá lẹ́nu mọ́. Àwọn strategy tó ti lò láti 15 years ago tí ò work mọ́ ìyẹn lẹ́yìn ṣe fẹ́ lò ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé gbogbo wa ti jí ni. Ṣé ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé gbogbo wa ti jí? Olódodo kì í lẹ́nì. Don't love me. God loves me. Concerning this journey, mo mọ nǹkan tí mo ti fi bèrè lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run tó ṣe fún mi. Mi ìpẹ́lẹ́ yìí tẹ́ ń gbowó. I have never for one day take 10 kobo both on Facebook and on TikTok. Bí mo ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yín sí, a lè ṣe tán bí báyìí kó jẹ́ pé 9 cents ló máa rí. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni àwọn ìlú tó ti monetize TikTok wọn monetize TikTok ń bí. Ẹ fọ ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọlọ́mọ ń pawó, ó fẹ́ fi ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọlọ́mọ ní fame, ó fẹ́ wo pé ìwọ nìkan ni, ìwọ ló ń ṣe case yẹn. Olójú kan tó jọba nílùú afọ́jú, ìwọ illiterate. Certificate mélòó ló ti ní láti jọ tó ti dé ìlú tó wà yẹn. Tó fẹ́ sọ pé ìwọ ló fẹ́ handle case táwọn ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n. Go to Perepere, go and learn there. Baba supposed to come out láti correct yín pé ẹ má bà ìgbéyàwó ọmọlọ́mọ jẹ́ o. Ẹ fi Ayamyinka lẹ̀ o. Ayamyinka even tá bá padà sórí kíní Yèyé Kúdíǹsì ẹ máa gbọ́ relationship tó wà láàrin Ayamyinka. Ayamyinka is somebody that is very close to Mr. Loba. Baba ìkànnì yín pẹ̀lú gbogbo ìtẹ́ ń ṣe yẹn. Ẹ wá fẹ́ yẹ kàn bà marriage ọmọ yẹn jẹ́. Ayamyinka lọ ṣe nǹkan tó yẹn fún iṣẹ́ tó bá yẹ pé ìbọn náà yin ọ̀tá ọmọbìnrin yẹn lọ́jọ́ yẹn tí ọ̀tá ẹ̀ kú sójú ogun yẹn tí ẹ̀ ní sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ lọ wo family ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin ló yẹ kẹ́ ẹ dìde nínú ilé yín. When you were in Abuja, you went to Abuja, you're supposed to look for where Ayamyinka is living and go and say hello to Ayamyinka and the husband. Not somebody who just bring Ayamyinka to you and your team stood up to fight against those people. So, Emma Finu Amoje, Mr. Mu, you are aggressive. Teba to be any blogger today. See, anybody to want true justice. Mama jáde fún Baba. Mo mọ àwọn questions tí mo lè béèrè lọ́wọ́ Baba. Mo kàn ṣẹ́nu kò ní. Mo fẹ́ béèrè àwọn questions kan lọ́wọ́ wọn. Ẹ má dá Baba lọ́ba padà. Ẹ má dá Baba lọ́ba padà sí September 14, 15, 16 o. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ṣọ́ra, a máa bá yín dá wọn padà síbẹ̀. Àwa wo ẹni mélòó tẹ̀lé blog. just ordinary common 150,000 naira that they needed to do something in court concerning this justice. They can't afford to pay it. They can't afford to pay it. They can't afford to pay it. Just ordinary common 150,000 naira. And people has been donating to the Access Bank for over 9 months now. Bukky gets a local tangba to come and that was the Access Bank. The Access Bank is for justice for Mohbad only. So how come now they needed just 150,000 euro, $90 3 days ago? You people said there's no money in Access Bank, and you want us to keep quiet. You want to be extorting the public. Yeah, it's something concerning this justice. It's called appearance money for lawyer Odumosu's daughter that wanted to go to court for something for them. They didn't ask me to tell. They didn't ask me to tell you. So I want no have no solicita. We need PR. Over public in Emma no justice. So when they need money, they should be able to go to that account and pay the money. Who is handling the Access Bank? He said when they printed the statement of account of that Access Bank, want to share their own number, so you cannot trace the trace those money. Any call of moon receipt it is San sheet to go long. A memory San sheet to be low. Kileto 1 paro 25 million is San sheet to Feba. 25 San sheet to be 25 million low. Emma Jaka Dabaru Bokini, most of you pay more so. I know what I'm talking about. That is why I talk with anybody in Shepole Mumi because I don't just come out to come and talk. All I am saying is we want pure justice. Fema go mago. Babate ba fe justice ze wa sọ fún wa pé ká dáwó fún yín. A máa dá owó fún yín. Tẹ́ máa fi lọ establish ara yín. Kede lọ sin ọmọ lọ́mọ kó lọ sinmi. But Emma under disguise pé we need this because you are looking for justice. You are not in any way looking for any justice. This is not how to do it. This is not how to do it. Why are you hiding your legal team? Why are you hiding the people that are working with you? Why are you hiding your PR? Why are you not carrying the public along with everything that you have been doing? Do you think we are mumu? Ewa no gbe àwọn èèyàn jáde. Yeah, mo maybe no ṣàlàyé fún yín ni. Mo ṣàlàyé fún yín mi bú yín mo rí comment tẹ́ kọ. Tẹ́ bá bú mi ní dá yín lóhùn mo rí nǹkan tẹ́ kọ now. Yeah, has the son not been paid? Mo kàn ṣàlàyé fún yín ni pé son tó sọ pé ó máa gba 25 million gan. Irọ́ ńlá ló wà ńbẹ̀. Son yẹn owó tó béèrè kò tiẹ̀ lọ sí di 25 million naira rárá. Èmi Adenike ni mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún yín. Ẹni kan lọ mú lẹ́tà tí son fi béèrè 25 million wá. Son ò béèrè 25 million lọ́wọ́ wọn. Just because pé a kì í wá síta láti wá já irọ́ yín, ìyẹn ò mí pé bóyá àmọ́ nǹkan tá à ń sọ. Why tẹ́ ṣe ń parọ́? San Shitu did not request for 25 million. No. He did not charge you guys 25 million. Stop lying. Stop extorting public. It is not fair. It is not fair. You are using this money to jeopardize our effort for the past 10 months. San Shitu did not in any way charge you 25 million naira. Yeah, let them come and explain to us if they are for 2 lawyers. But San Shitu did not charge them 25 million naira. It is a lie. That is why we need to know in Kadekoya. They need PR to mama carry our along. But yeba ini San is not so. Tani oba jáde láti wá sọ fún wa pé nǹkan báyìí làwọn rí ní corona inquest, the last inquest. Don't compare England with Nigeria. Let me through justice. Mohbad is not my family. When they get the justice and they get all the properties of Mohbad, they will not come and give me. And I'm not interested. It's going to be for his father and the family. So now, when you are saying the truth, that they are not doing the things right, they don't want the truth sayers concerning this justice. They don't want people that will say justice and that will say the truth. If you are saying too much and you are trying to tell them, okay, what you are doing is not right. This is how to do it. This is how to do it. They rent bloggers. You add it from the reliable source. They rent bloggers to come and be blogging people. So if you see anybody blogging you concerning this justice, it's Guresi and Mr. Muiwa. And Baba Aloba will not tell me that he doesn't know anything about blogging people. Mr. Aloba has good relationship with Ayaminka. He has good relationship with Lady Aries, Crunch Queen, and Chairman. Now they sent their bloggers out to come and be blogging these people. They wanted to destroy. They are planning to destroy Ayaminka's marriage. A 35, the lady that is in a middle 40 or late 30s. They want to destroy her marriage just because she made a mistake and she's spilling out the truth. She's spilling out the truth. And you want to destroy her home. Is that good? Somebody that faced what you can do. She went to Abuja to arrange a protest. She led the protest. She left her children at home. She was breastfeeding. She was detained, slept in a lion den for good 6 days. She did not plan to stop breastfeeding her last child just because she was locked up for 6 days. When she came back, she couldn't breastfeed anymore. The baby will be crying every day, You don't know what she's going through. Maybe she's going through any depression. She's going through any trauma that maybe because of the things she has seen when she was locked up. Maybe that was the reason why she was talking like the way she was talking. And you all want to sentence her to life imprisonment, to her